Hi everyone, this is Lucy. In this video, I'm going to show you one of my many variations of a basic Puerto Rican sofrito recipe. For this recipe, I'm going to be using 12 culantro leaves. The culantro or recao gives the distinctive Puerto Rican flavor. About 2 tablespoons of fresh thyme or tomillo. Also, about 2 tablespoons of fresh oregano. You can also use the dry kind. About 12 garlic cloves, 1 green pepper. Also, about 12 mini sweet peppers. Make sure they're not the hot kind. I'm going to blend all these ingredients together with about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm going to begin with the mini sweet peppers to make space for all the other ingredients. Add the garlic, the fresh oregano, the thyme, and the culantro. This recipe will give me about 2 cups of sofrito, 1/4 of a cup for each separate dish. If I'm cooking a can of beans, I use 1/4 of a cup. The other I freeze in separate containers of 1/4 each. This is my sofrito. I hope you like this video. Come back to see me again. I hope to see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.